Hey everyone, Elliot's helping me today. I couldn't remember how to change the door code, so I had to do this. So the trick is, if you go to your Yale door lock, you gotta punch in your master code. If you just try a number and you think, oh, that's my door code, and then I can hit this, it won't let you. You've gotta do your 4-digit, 6-digit, whatever you set it as, and sometimes you forget. So you gotta go back and look at your notes. But you hit the Yale button, you type in your code, hopefully you hear it, and then hit the button. Then it puts you in this mode. Now you can change your code and just follow the prompts. I hope you don't need to know how to do that. In fact, my video up here will tell you how to go through this. It's so simple. But I just want to show you, sometimes you're forgetting, well, how do I get into this thing? You got to type in your master code. So whatever that is, go back and find it. Some doors it's 1, 2, 3, 4, so you can try that first. And I hope that helps you guys. Hit subscribe. Thanks for watching. Say bye, Elliot.
Bye.